As scores of supporters cheered Narendra Modi as he filed his nomination papers in Varanasi, a massive political debate has now sparked off over whether there exists a Modi wave in the country. While the Samajwadi Party, the BSP and the Congress launched a joint attack on Modi, dismissing the Modi wave, BJP hit right back, insisting that the Varanasi turnout was a proof of Modi's popularity in the country.
Thousands of Modi supporters blocked the streets of Varanasi on Thursday as the BJP PM nominee filed his nomination from the seat.
काशी वासियों ने जो मुझे प्यार दिया है, मैं इसके लिए बहुत ही अभिभूत हूं।
But as Modi was confident of a BJP wave, the Prime Minister jumped into the fight to dismiss his claims.
There is a Modi wave all around. Do you think that it will affect this election?
Well, Modi wave is the creation of the media. I think the country as a whole is swept by any Modi wave.
With Modi's nomination from Varanasi intensifying the UP battle, the regional satraps are also quick to charge the BJP. But in a sharp counter, the BJP insisted that the massive turnout at Modi's roadshow in Varanasi was proof enough of a Modi wave sweeping the country.
अब तक यूपी में मोदी की लहर थी, भाजपा की लहर थी। ये लहर मोदी जी के नामांकन करने के साथ ही सुनामी में परिवर्तित हुई है और इस लहर के कारण सपा, बसपा, कांग्रेस तीनों का सफाया उत्तर प्रदेश में निश्चित है।
The BJP is confident, but will it be able to stitch a winning combination of voters in India's most important electoral battleground remains to be seen. Bureau Report, Times Now.